This is Venus, yes, like the planet. What an odd place to get a pimple. Thankfully, I'm just the narrator and never get them. I was wondering if she was ever going to make the bed. She sleeps like a rotating hot dog, which you know means the bed is a mess in the morning. And look at that. Her first drink of water today. She's an iPad kid that seems to have extra time before the sheet mask comes off. Proudly showing us how obsessed she is with this new game she's been grinding through for the past week now. I can admit, it does look pretty cute. Venus loves gelato pique and justifies the price since she uses her boyfriend's card to buy it. This is her daughter Coco, spoiled and undisciplined per her dad's words. It looks like Venus decided to skip the green tea this morning and go for a Yakult probiotic drink. I can guarantee she'll be having 0 tummy aches today. I wonder what Venus thinks about when she does mundane housework like this every day. Perhaps maybe how much more work she would have to do around the house if she had a kid, or even 2. I believe some might call this girl breakfast. Leftover Parmesan bites from Domino's. And look at that. I lied. She's having green tea. And just like that, Venus is back to being an iPad kid. What's the rest of your day looking like?
I will crochet after this.
Sure you will. The heated blanket says otherwise, though. I thought you would never get off that game. Obsessed much?
Actually, I'm waiting for my weapons to be done creating.
Typical Venus behavior. See, I knew it. Venus won't get anything done today because just look at how obsessed she is. Eat, sleep, game. That's all life is to her right now. Why don't you do something productive like bake a cake?
Okay. I laid down. I'm super comfy now. I'm going to be playing this game for a couple of hours. There's an event going on right now and I need to get as much stuff as I possibly can and all the cute outfits and hairs, and I just want a big closet in this game. Don't judge me.
Oh, I am.
It's currently 9:30 p.m. and I'm still playing because I found a new event that I didn't know existed, and I've been playing it so I can get this cute hair with 2 black like long ponytails that have like cat ears on them. Anyways, so I will be playing this for the rest of the night and actually not crocheting.
I knew it.
Maybe I will. If it's like super late and I get bored, I might crochet. But so far I'm having so much fun.
Wow, okay.